What is up, my friend? What is up, my friend? All right, look, welcome to another episode of Mixing with Macro, where I'm going to show you how to do the vocal technique called the infinite reverb. If you're new to my channel, I'm Macro from Mixing with Macro. I'm a professional recording and mixing engineer, and I do recording and mixing for major record labels and many independent artists. And my goal is to help you streamline your recording and your mixing process for fast and consistent results. All right, so here is a record that we have in front of us. This is a song I recorded here real quick. Here's what we're working with.
It's show, she some slight for the bro. It's not on ice, she gotta roll. Come MIDWXST, she been involved. Man, I too rock, ain't no challenge. Crib it two stock, it ain't crowded. On like 2 blocks, watch it shine. I let credit, yeah, it's mine, yo. Yeah, I'm in love with your patience, coming right to you, ain't no chasing. New crib, yo, go praise. Keep you for the firm, ain't no stranger, yo, home.
All right, so the goal is to have a delay that's going to be infinite, a delay that just never seems to stop. Now where we're going to put that delay is right here at the end, okay, all the way there. So what I'm going to do real quick is duplicate this track, boom, and I'm going to take the piece of audio that I want to use, and I want to get the last word right here. Let me solo so you can hear. All right, let me get a little bit more here.
Stranger, you're home.
All right, cool. So it's gonna do that real quick. Okay, so now we're gonna grab the H delay. All right, I'm gonna turn off the analog so all that hissing goes away. I like to set up my, so this is just basically a band pass where you roll off the lows and you roll off the highs here, and it sounds really nice as a nice filter. I'm gonna pull down that real quick, and the main part that we want to do is, I'm going to activate the ping pong. All right, I like to reverse the phase left or right. Sounds really cool when you reverse the phase. Okay, so look, the main parameter that you want to use is feedback. The feedback is going to be golden in this tutorial. All right, so I'm going to want this delay to roll all the way to the end, so all the way until the beat stops right there. I'm going to want to roll all the way out, so let's just hear it.
Stranger, you're home.
Okay, so you can see if you just put a plug-in on the track and you hit the feedback, the delay never stops. All right, so what you want to do is, one, keep it right where it's at, and then you want to activate it and commit the effect to the track. All right, so when you right click on the plugin, you go to commit up to this insert. It just means commit up to this plugin. Boom, you hit commit, and I like to make it inactive in case I want to go back and like tweak settings and whatnot and commit it again, just so I can have it. And if I like what I have, then I would just hide the track. Okay, so here we have the reverb. You can see, the delay. You can see how far the delay, it just keeps going, right? Now let's hear it.
Stranger, you're home.
All right, so let's stop it right when the beat stops, so like right here. Okay, cool. Now you can hear there's a lot of artifacts in it and all that stuff. So what you can do, you can either take this piece and just duplicate it like that. I don't like the little part right there, but so what you could do is probably duplicate it from over here because it's just repeating, or just do it from halfway like that. Yeah, if you want to do it like that. All right, but I like how it just kind of changes as it goes along. So what I like to do is I like to put the one knob filter on here, put the one knob filter, Boom. And I also like to put a doubler on here.
Ain't no stranger, you're home.
It's really nice. Now you know how to do the infinite delay. It's very simple. You can try it with different types of delays. I like to use the H delay because the H delay just sounds good. It's easy to dial in the settings and get it there and get it perfect. And you know, it's a creative way to do your bridges, to do your hooks, to do parts of your verse where there might be a little space. You could do it really quick. You could do it, you know, like kind of like that. Or what's even better, instead of having it go all the way to the end, it just stops.
Ain't no stranger, you're home.
Like right here.
For the fam, ain't no stranger, you're home.
And then have it come back in over here. Yeah, like you could play with it, do different things. I've done it on a few records and it really comes into great effect because listeners aren't expecting it. When I do the mix from the artist perspective, they're not even expecting it. Like, whoa, how'd you do that? This song is perfect to show you one. Yeah, that's it, my friend. And if you want to know how to make your mixes sound dope, like kind of like how my mixes sounded right here.
Yeah, top down, so she might need a towel. Bring that bitch right out of bounds. Got an ass on her, I'll watch it bounce. She on tippy toes, now put a foot round, might call a foul.
Alright, so like if you want your mixes to sound like that, there's a link in the description that will give you a free 5-step PDF cheat sheet that will take you to a professional sounding mix in less than 30 minutes. Okay, I lay it out very simple. You can read through it in about 5 minutes and it's absolutely free, which is the best part. So go ahead and grab that, my friend. It is there for you to take advantage of, okay? And it would bring you to a amazing sounding mix. All right, I appreciate you sticking around. I'll see you in the next video.